Hello, welcome to our art edition of Shellac in Minutes. I'm Jan Arnold, co-founder of CND, and we're here to share ways to create fun and unique nail art designs using shellac on natural nails and over both Brisa and Retention Plus enhancements. We'll start with some easy techniques and gradually move on to the more advanced ones. Let's begin with a simple tie-dye design, perfect for natural nails. This design was created by CND Education Ambassador Valerie Bleacher. We've already prepared the nail by doing a quick pep and applied and cured shellac UV base coat. For the design, begin by applying the first layer of shellac UV color coat in cream puff and cure for 2 minutes. For a brush up on the basic steps for applying and removing shellac, please view the shellac application and removal video. Then apply the second layer of cream puff for full coverage and cure for 2 minutes. Next, paint a line of Tutti Frutti horizontally across the top and then along the bottom of the nail. To create the tie-dye effect, use a liner brush lightly moistened with 99% isopropyl alcohol to feather the colors until they blend and fade together. Then draw a line of tropics across the middle of the nail and feather the colors. Cure for 2 minutes. Apply one thin layer of negligee to soften the look and cure for 2 minutes. And seal the entire nail with one thin layer of shellac UV top coat. Cure for 2 minutes and remove the top film with 99% isopropyl alcohol. The result is a fun, easy, and playful design in stride with the season's retro fashion trend, which can be done with any of your favorite shellac colors. Here's another great design created by Team CND member Jennifer Mather. It's called Abstract Flower. We've already prepared the nail by doing a quick pep and applied and cured shellac UV base coat. For the design, begin by applying the first thin layer of shellac UV color coat in Red Baroness and cure for 2 minutes. Apply the second thin layer of shellac UV color coat in Red Baroness, but do not cure this layer. Now apply 3 dots of cream puff down one side of the nail in a semicircle. Using a striping brush, gently swirl each dot of cream puff into the shape of an abstract flower petal. Then cure for 2 minutes. Now seal the entire nail with one thin layer of shellac UV top coat and cure for 2 minutes. Then remove the top film with 99% isopropyl alcohol. It's chic, high style, and actually very easy to create. Now let's take it up a notch. In this next example, we'll show you how easy it is to design shellac nail art over a Brisa gel enhancement. We're going to create a whimsical design in shellac circles designed by Team CND member Christina Estabrooks. We've already applied Brisa gel to the nails and finished them with Brisa gloss and cured for 2 minutes. We will leave the sticky top layer on the nails so there is no need for shellac UV base coat, and we'll go straight to applying the first layer of shellac UV color coat in asphalt and cure for 2 minutes. Apply the second layer of asphalt and cure for 2 minutes. Now create the large half circles around the perimeter of the nail, starting with the lower left corner, working clockwise around the edge of the nail. Do this by first placing a drop of each color on the nail, and then use either a stylist or your striping brush to complete the shape. Start with Masquerade, then Rock Royalty. If needed, clean up your half circles with a detail brush lightly moistened with IPA. then use rosebud, and finally strawberry smoothie. And cure for 2 minutes. Using a stylus, apply small dots in a random pattern using strawberry smoothie, rock royalty, and tutti frutti. Then lock for 10 seconds. Then complete the design with tiny accent dots using tutti frutti, rock royalty, and strawberry smoothie. Cure for 2 minutes. Seal the design with one thin layer of shellac UV top coat. Cure for a final 2 minutes and then remove the top film with 99% isopropyl alcohol. It's funky, it's flirty, and it's fabulous. Perfect for day or night. Now let's go more extreme by adding some length and shape to the nails with Retention Plus liquid and powder, then creating a purple leopard design for a bold artistic look. Team CND member Jennifer Mather designed this shellac nail art technique. We've already created the nail enhancement by sculpting the nail with Retention Plus liquid and powder and buffing with a 240 grit buffer without the use of solar oil. Cleanse the nail with soap and water and towel dry. Skip shellac UV base coat and go directly to applying the first thin layer of shellac UV color coat in Fedora. Then cure for 2 minutes. Now apply the second layer of Fedora and cure for 2 minutes. Next, apply strawberry smoothie diagonally to the top and bottom corner of the nail and lock for 10 seconds. Then apply tutti frutti diagonally in the center of the nail. If any shellac touches the skin, simply remove it with a brush moistened with a little IPA. Then cure for 2 full minutes. Using Fedora and a stylus, draw dots in an irregular pattern on the nail, which ultimately creates an animal print, and cure for 2 minutes. Seal the design with shellac UV top coat and cure for a final 2 minutes. Then remove the top film with 99% isopropyl alcohol. The end result is this trendy animal print design that never goes out of style. Change your color selection every time you try this design. I hope you like these shellac nail art techniques and that you'll try your own creativity with custom designs for all your clients. Check out just a few of the possibilities created by our talented CND education ambassadors. From these very playful, bright designs, to these rich and regal looks, and finally these dark and sophisticated statement nails. The options are endless. To view more Shellac in Minutes videos, visit cnd.com. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.